Welcome back to RV Deep Dive, the channel where we bring you closer than ever to the world of motorhomes and RV living. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button because today we're diving into something truly special. This is the 2026 Winnebago View 24D, a motorhome that perfectly blends compact design with Mercedes-Benz luxury and performance. If you've been dreaming of an RV that delivers efficiency without sacrificing comfort, stick with me for the full tour, because this one could easily be your next home on wheels. Now, the Winnebago View has always been one of the most talked about compact Class C motorhomes. And with the 2026 model year, Winnebago has refined it even further. Built on the legendary Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis, it offers the sleek European styling, advanced safety technology, and high-end finishings that you expect from both Winnebago and Mercedes. So, let's step outside and start with the exterior. From the very first look, the View 24D exudes a modern, aerodynamic design that feels both stylish and practical. The front end carries the Mercedes-Benz grille with that iconic three-pointed star, reminding you that this is not just any RV. It's powered by the same engineering excellence you find in luxury cars and vans. The headlights are full LED units with integrated daytime running lights, giving you maximum visibility while also elevating the look of the coach. The body of the View 24D stretches to just about 25.5 feet in total length, making it incredibly maneuverable compared to larger rigs. That means easier driving, easier parking, and access to campgrounds that won't fit those 40-foot giants. But don't let the size fool you. The 2026 View is packed with features and smart design choices that maximize space and functionality. On the driver's side, you'll notice the precision engineering in the slide-out mechanism. This single, large slide extends to create extra living space inside, a feature that transforms the interior from compact travel mode into a surprisingly roomy living area. The slide itself is powered, well-sealed, and fitted with awnings above to protect it from rain and debris when extended. Let's move along the passenger side, where the camping magic happens. The View 24D is equipped with a large, power-retractable awning with integrated LED lighting. Imagine yourself pulling into a scenic park, pressing a button, and within seconds you've got a shaded outdoor lounge area glowing with soft ambient light. Beneath the awning, you'll also find exterior speakers tied into the motorhome's entertainment system, so your outdoor dinners or campfire nights can have the perfect soundtrack. Storage is always a concern with compact RVs, but Winnebago has designed the View with smart exterior compartments. You'll see multiple storage bays spread across the lower body, each with solid latches, and the rear of the motorhome has been refined for 2026 with updated taillight design, a sturdy integrated bumper, and an optional rear ladder that gives you access to the roof. The roof itself houses solar panels. Yes, Winnebago includes solar as standard now, allowing you to boondock with confidence and keep your batteries topped up even when you're off-grid. Up top, you'll also find the low-profile air conditioning unit and Wi-Fi/TV antennas, keeping your setups. Now that we've explored the sleek and functional exterior of the 2026 Winnebago View 24D, it's time to step inside. This is where Winnebago really shows off its design philosophy. Every inch is used wisely, every surface feels premium, and you instantly get the sense that this is not just a motorhome, but a genuine luxury living space designed for life on the road. The first thing you notice as you climb into the cockpit is the unmistakable Mercedes-Benz DNA. Sitting in the driver's seat, you're surrounded by a world of technology and comfort. The seats themselves are plush, leather-wrapped, and fully adjustable, complete with armrests that make long drives feel effortless. They're heated and swivel around to face the living area once you're parked, so they're not just for driving. They become part of your lounge setup. Directly ahead, the dashboard is a seamless combination of luxury. Stepping back into the main living area, you're greeted by an open, airy space that feels much larger than you'd expect from a 25-foot motorhome. The slide-out extends the lounge area, creating a roomy living space where you can truly relax. On one side, you'll find a dinette setup that comfortably seats four. The cushions are wrapped in high-quality fabrics with contrast stitching, and the table is mounted on a sturdy pedestal that can be lowered to create an extra sleeping area if needed. Large panoramic windows with roller shades surround the living space, flooding it with natural light during the day and giving you privacy at night. Across from the dinette sits the entertainment system. Winnebago has fitted the View 24D with a large LED smart TV that's perfectly positioned for viewing from both the dinette and the lounge chairs. The TV is connected to a premium sound system, and the RV also comes pre-wired for satellite or cable, depending on your setup. Above and around this area, storage cabinets line the walls, finished in sleek cabinetry with soft closed doors and LED accent lighting. Moving into the kitchen, you'll quickly realize that Winnebago hasn't sacrificed functionality despite the compact size. The galley feet cabinetry in the kitchen is plentiful, with overhead storage for plates and glasses, as well as drawers below for pots, pans, and utensils. Winnebago's smart design includes pull-out pantry shelving, giving you an efficient place to store dry goods without wasting space. And yes, the kitchen has its own dedicated LED task lighting, so you're never cooking in the dark. As we move further back, we come to the bathroom area. One of the highlights of the 24D is its spacious rear bath layout. The bathroom stretches across the full width of the motorhome, giving you far more room than you'd expect in a compact RV. On one side, you have a porcelain flush toilet with ample legroom, while on the other side there's a glass-enclosed shower with a built-in skylight. The shower has both a handheld sprayer and a rainfall-style overhead fixture, giving you a spa-like experience on the road. A vanity with storage is abundant here as well, with wardrobes on either side of the bed, overhead cabinets, and additional drawers built into the base of the sofa. And because this is a Winnebago, the fit and finish are top-notch. Smooth cabinetry, high-quality handles, and subtle lighting that creates a cozy nighttime environment. Let's not forget about the cab-over bunk above the driver's cockpit. This space is perfect for kids, guests, or even extra storage. It's roomy, well-lit, and includes its own privacy curtain, making it an excellent bonus feature. Walking through this interior, you quickly realize the 2026 View 24D is designed to feel like a compact luxury apartment that just happens to be on wheels. The combination of Mercedes-Benz driving comfort and Winnebago's interior craftsmanship creates a space that is equal parts functional and elegant. Now that we've seen the exterior style and explored the carefully designed interior, it's time to talk about what really makes the Winnebago View 24D such a standout in its class, how it performs on the road, and how all of its systems work together to create a truly modern RV experience. The heart of the 2026 View is its Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis. Under the hood, you'll find a 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder diesel engine paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission. Don't let the compact size fool you. This engine is engineered for efficiency and long-haul durability. It produces a solid amount of torque, enough to confidently climb mountain passes or cruise effortlessly on highways, even when the RV is fully loaded with passengers and gear. One of the biggest advantages of this chassis is fuel economy. While larger Class A or even some Class C motorhomes struggle to get into the double digits, the View 24D averages between 14 and 17 miles per gallon. That's a game changer if you're planning long trips, because it means now let's talk about onboard technology. Winnebago has outfitted the View 24D with a comprehensive suite of systems designed to make off-grid camping not only possible, but comfortable. Standard equipment includes a 3,600-watt LP generator, but the big story here is the advanced solar package. You get a roof-mounted solar array paired with a lithium-ion battery system and a 2,000-watt pure sine wave inverter. This means you can run your essentials, lights, outlets, appliances, without constantly needing shore power or generator use. And for those who want true independence, there's an optional upgrade to the Lithium Plus energy package, which expands the battery capacity and solar capability even further, allowing extended boondocking and comfort. The climate control system is equally advanced. The View is equipped with a high-efficiency duct air conditioning unit and a quiet furnace for heating, ensuring comfort no matter the season. All of this is controlled by a central touchscreen panel that ties into the RV's smart home system. From one screen, or even from a smartphone app, you can monitor tank levels, control lighting, manage climate settings, and check battery status. Of course, connectivity is a huge part of modern RVing, and the View 24D doesn't disappoint. It comes pre-wired for Wi-Fi boosters and cellular. As we wrap up this deep dive into the 2026 Winnebago View 24D, one thing is clear. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a lifestyle upgrade. From the precision of the Mercedes-Benz engineering to the thoughtful craftsmanship of the Winnebago interior, every detail has been designed to enhance the travel experience. If you've enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to RV Deep Dive, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next in-depth look at the world's most exciting motorhomes. And let me know in the comments, would you choose the Winnebago View 24D for your travels, or are you dreaming of something bigger? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next adventure.